gas where I'm at right now is $2.99. I think for the highest grade, it's like, damn, what was it? $3.19 or something like that. I'm using 87. For me to be filling up gas at $2.99, I'm happy. Gas ain't been under $3 out here, and I don't know how long. I was talking to my boy Jeremy yesterday out there in St. Louis. He said right now his gas is $1.85. I was like, $1.85? What's that? I can't remember the last time the gas been in the twos, and it's literally $2.99. I can't remember the last time the gas been in the twos, and like, man, in Cali, it's been at least, shoot, 6 years or something like that, man. But, you know, but I got a question, man. Since Trump giving out these checks, what y'all about to do with y'all money? I haven't even got my taxes yet. It's a long story, man, but it is what it is. But I think I might get this Camaro on the road sooner than I think. But nah, for real, for those of y'all who getting y'all taxes and getting y'all, y'all stimulus checks and all that stuff or whatever, man, don't go buy no car parts, man. Fix y'all credit. If y'all credit is messed up, please don't be buying all these crazy car parts and stuff like that, man. Fix your credit first, and then everything else will come after that. Trust me, dog. Trust me.
Hey everybody,
let me finish filling up and get on this road.
Good morning, America. And here's your
almost there, baby. Almost there, man. I was all the way on E. Literally, my needle is right there where it is right now. See what Bertha got for me today. See if she's gonna be nice. I had to fill her all the way up. Almost. Nah, that's full. That's considered full. $25 on duty. $25. That's straight, man. Normally, I'll be putting like 35, 40 bucks in this little ass thing. And it only gets 300 miles to the, matter of fact, I'll show y'all. So we're gonna reset this joint. Bing. All right. Y'all see where my tank is at. So it's gonna take me basically a half a tank to get to LA and half a tank to get back to the desert. It's 5:55 and we hitting the road. See how long it's gonna take. Roll with me. Put the seatbelt on. Man, but this is a beautiful view right here, dude. Like, it's just amazing. And the traffic is just beautiful. Right now, it's been super backed up right now. It's cars on the road, obviously, but the traffic is just beautiful. Right now, it's 6:15. So it took us about, I really don't even know where the Cajon Pass really ends at. I just know it's a long ass hill. It takes about 30 minutes from the start to finish. You know what I'm saying? To get up to, where Hesperia, Apple Valley, Victorville, get up there. So I said it took us about 20 minutes. So I'm about to jump on this 15, and I don't know, maybe I'll jump on a 10 or 210. I just got to figure it out. See how I feel today. And we rolling. All right, 640 deuce. Coming up on that 605. Little Mercedes trying to cut me off. Sorry, fam. Oh, you gotta be quicker than that. 642 hopping on the 605. This is like, man, this is moving so quick, dude, with no traffic. Cause right now, man, yeah, this is just moving beautiful. Stay y'all ass in the house cause the freeway is open. 110 southbound. All right, y'all, we basically made it to LA. 703. Normally it take 2 hours, man. It literally took like an hour and 10 minutes. But instead of me, man, LA is so damn beautiful, bro. Oh my Lord. So beautiful. I'm actually passing up my Popz house right now. But I was thinking about it. Instead of going straight to the shop, I know it ain't gonna be nobody here. I'm about to go introduce y'all to my Popz. Know what I'm talking about? He kind of like my Popz. But when y'all see him, y'all know what I'm talking about. He kind of like my little big brother. Let me introduce y'all to my Popz. My nose ring sideways. Yeah, just a little bit. Right, my Popz, man. Getting some grub real quick. Remember I told y'all so what I told him, I was like, yeah, he like my big little brother.
Yeah, that's what I say, same thing.
You know what I'm saying? So y'all can see the resemblance.
Amazing.
Both fine?
Both. Undeniable.
Yeah, man, we right here trying to get some grub real quick at this little food spot out here. What the hell is this place called?
Prontos.
We have Prontos. For all my Mexican people, we have Prontos. We're getting some grub real quick. And after this, man, we're going to head over there to the shop real quick. I got him on, he got me on. So, yeah, man, it's my pops, man. This is where the fine mechanic came from.
Find the Popz, that's right. Gotta pay homage. It's my boy, man, handsome dude.
Yeah, you see me?
My little big brother.
Yeah, man. Pops, how tall are you?
5'9".
I'm 5'11". He in a lot better shape than I am, though, trust me. You see them things, Pops? You see the moles?
Yeah.
Look at him.
They don't want the smoke. That's my son, y'all go get it.
Ooh, they already had a LS in it. So, I already had an LS in there. What I'm going to be doing is dropping the motor into this one today. Oh, shucks. And the motor, this is the motor that came out of it. This one right here. Back here is the motor that's going to be going in it. If you guys remember, these were my 243 heads that was for sale. They're going on this car. So it's going to be is this a LS? No, this is an LS1 intake. So LS1 intake, 5.3, 243 heads. And that's going in this El Camino right there. I think it was just a stock 5.3. So yeah, this is just a stock 5.3 right here. So let me recap, because I just said a lot of stuff. I don't even know what the hell I just said. I'm going to be dropping 2 transmissions, installing 1 transmission, and then I'm going to be installing 1 motor today and possibly pulling the motor and transmission out this other car. I can't show this other car yet because I'm actually doing this. I can't even give too much information. Basically, I got another swap in, and I have to meet a deadline before April for a special reason. Can't tell you what it is yet. But I'm going to be filming this car, but I'm only going to make 1 complete video of it, so the particular person won't know what's going on with his car. His wife did something very, very special for him. Basically, he's getting an LS swap for his birthday, and he don't even know it. So let's get this stuff done, man. All right, I got everything wired up in this Elco. Try to do this first start up. Yeah. Oh, the battery must be dead, damn. So I got the fuel pump wire done. I got the ignition wire. I put on another ground in the battery. You heard the relay, so cool deal. Try to start this mug. Put my foot on the brake because I don't know what gear is in. And then the first start up, 5.3 Elco, 243 heads. I hear the fuel pump. Hey, you hear the fuel pump?
Hey, what's this leaking out?
It's pink.
Yeah.
That was the training fluid. You hear the fuel pump back there?
Back here?
Yeah. You hear anything?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah. I didn't know the muffler's right there. You turned on that shit, said boom. I almost jumped on my
They probably need another ground. All right, let me do some more troubleshooting. We're going to see what it do. So I just checked the computer, and it is. I just retuned it or whatever. Make sure all the vats and all that stuff is going and all that good jazz. But it is having a problem with the fuel. Oh, that sounds a lot better, but it's having an issue with the fuel. So I'll probably put the fuel straight to the battery and see if they cut on in, because it sounds like you want to cut on. I'm gonna run the fuel straight to the battery and see what's up. This thing right here is starting, but the fuel pump is out. So yeah, the fuel pump is dead, and I've been working on this for a couple hours. Still got he wants the degrees underneath the hood and paint underneath the hood and all that stuff. For those of you that's gonna say it's not the fuel pump, I got some piss right here. I'm gonna spray underneath here. Alright, spray some piss up in there. As you can see, it's all wet. Now I'm gonna start it up. And then eventually it'll just die out. Yeah, so he went to go get a new fuel pump and swap that out. Do the fan relays or whatever. I also need to swap the pump, the power steering pump. He has the LS simple bracket, so well, that could be a reason the pump not working too. This whole thing kind of need to get swapped out. I don't know what the hell's going on here. There's no straightener, no nothing. But let's get it done. I'm supposed to be quarantining. I'm not on house arrest, unfortunately. I'm out here swapping the fuel pump. So y'all need to go ahead and like and subscribe and share and comment this video. Hopefully I don't get in trouble. They gonna come pick me up. You have too much fun of me, they gonna come pick me up. So, all right, man. Let me get this swapped out real quick, show you what it look like, or what it's supposed to look like. You see that? Oh, there you go, right there. You see that? That big old gash? So this is gonna be the first startup with the new fuel pump. Yeah. Let me let it down so I can level it. Damn, boy. That fuel pump was an asshole. 3. So GPS is right on. Oh, my lord. Oh, shoot. I'm tired. 12:03.